She has, however, managed to make it compromise, and they're lighting up the brown living room.
It's my nose. I'll do what I want with it.
Really? You should go put it in one of the dog's butts and sniff the butt.
We're going to turn these walls a little lighter. Be a lot lighter and airier.
Did you say airy?
Well, Ellen wanted to paint the
lighter and airy?
The natural wood in the room white, but as a group, the kids and I were able to change our mind and just paint the fireplace. They better not change this fireplace. I can't imagine that anyone could buy this house and not love this fireplace. It's got to look really good.
I think it looks fantastic.
Great contrast.
There's Daniel.
Yeah, look at that.
With his camcorder.
Whoa!
Not really my camcorder, but
I'm
using it for now.
But it's a really nice camcorder. Why would you...
Stay out of it! I don't want to be on this conversation today.
Just collapsing. So I think
moving on.
This is not really my camcorder, but I'm just using this for now until I get a better one.
Well, it wouldn't be a whole project if something didn't go wrong.
Or are you saying I'm not ever going to get a better one? I'm not talking.
With no preparation needed, Chris's technique of just slapping the top.
I'll make you talk now!
I don't think I knew what I was doing, but I saved myself at least 2
Boy.
It's just fine with me.
Andrew's reward.
I'm just using this for now until I get a better camcorder.
Is to bring a bit of Homeland Australia to the basement. On hand to help, his mates from the local rugby club.
If I had to do the basement on my own, I think we'd be looking at maybe 3-4 weeks plus. And with the rugby guys, it's going to take a day. So I like that.
Within a few hours, all that's left to do is add a lick of paint and some memorabilia.
This is the famous bar. Surfboard.
Did I just get a flash on my camera?
Got the people to drink.
Do that again.
I guess we just need something to drink.
15 miles down the road, I know someone who's going to need a drink. Heather's letting her boys loose on the artwork for their new downstairs family room. Wet wipe, anyone?
Is this your very blue period, Matthew? Good guitar, Jack. Isn't that nice? I think it's great for the boys that they are
Only
able
mine
to set up the room.
Only this one has the flash. Yours don't.
We'll make them feel comfortable down here. And
I don't need a flash.
and it's meant to be a playroom. Hopefully, just understand the music room.
Hey.
They're involved and enjoying it.
I don't need the flash.
We can move it. Hopefully tonight. We need more blue.
And after
I prefer the video quality.
Dad Chris arrives home with a reward. Their very own disco ball. Hands up, who's jealous? Someone else after
I like
Rice's
TV
Ellen.
quality.
After her success at wallpaper stripping, she's
Well, mine can connect to a TV.
race.
We're racing, right?
Thanks to a USB cord. Or an AV cable. Daniel, can your camera do this? Built-in USB port.
It has a USB port.
The renovations are over, and Fun Princess has a palace to call her own.
Show me.
If you're choosing a smoke detector for your new home, research has shown that children...
Dennis, I told you, this is not my camera. I'm just using it for now. Dennis, nobody wants to be filmed.
First-time buyers, Andrew and Ellen, have finally finished their 100-year-old home.
Do a job well done.
Did they keep the antique shop?
Yeah, you seem to be okay with it for some reason.
You guys look well.
Thank you.
Fresh.
But it's not my camcorder, I told you! Connecticut, that's why the house.
Let me see what you guys got. Stick inside.
What was that? I'm getting a better one soon.
Well, I knew he was up in New England.
Brightened up with paint around
That-
the fireplace.
And Dennis, don't think I'm not. Because I will be getting it.
This is the living room, and yes, it's still brown.
My God, you got a roaring fire for me? Oh,
What do you
wow.
think?
Look at that fireplace. It's white.
It's white.
This
This is the only thing I got like it.
Oh, thank God. Okay, you didn't paint that.
By painting this, it made the wood stand out more. We're looking to paint all the wood white.
Right.
So
Why?
we're really happy.
I'm
You want another
thrilled
one?
you didn't paint it.
Copy?
Andrew never wanted it white. He likes
Alright.
the white. And you know what? I actually appreciate it now.
Is this your American dream home now?
You know, from the moment I walked through the door before, you know, all this happened, I knew this was the house. This is my house.
Next, the blah brown bathroom. Now white, bright, and gleaming.
Did you like fast forward through a whole lot of this? Or?
Wow, I need sunglasses.
I can get pushback, taxi, and then takeoff.
It said white, light, and bright, and this is it.
Yeah, this is definitely it. So why all white?
We did talk about doing the walls kind of a blue down.
To do, yeah, the soft denim
And I just thought
on
it
this
would
part,
date.
yeah.
And it like great now, but in a couple of years, you know, it looks a bit old.
We are at 5 minutes 45 seconds.
Any color will make it smaller.
What do you think the former owners are going to think when they walk in and see this?
After they've initially been blinded by the light, I think they're going to
Although it's easier and better to record in high def, in standard def, I get a lot more recording time.
So what is the feeling that you think that you've achieved in this bathroom?
Cleanliness.
The boys' bedroom has gone from cowboy cool to pretty and princess pink. But I don't see my tassels though.
Hey, honey.
Hi, Elizabeth.
You remember Doug?
How you doing?
Yeah, Doug.
Hi. Look at this pretty room you have. Do you like it?
Yes, I love
Do you really? I know you're a very busy girl, so I'll let you get back to your work. Can you draw me a picture?
it. Okay.
Okay, alright. Use pink. So, how do you guys feel about creating this little princess house?
I mean, it is just a dream for a little girl to have a room like this.
Yeah.
Hey Daniel,
The room was not as
smile and say,
immaculate as now.
YouTube!
These walls are smooth. I mean,
Not
this
gonna
is
happen.
So we just took down the wallpaper, and unfortunately this wall was an absolute nightmare. We ended up having to replace the whole wall because of 5 layers of ugly wallpaper.
Yeah, that we couldn't get off.
Yeah. You know what? I love to hang out in here, but another room to look at, don't we? Alright, let's get going.
Can I give you this box of trims? You want to take those with you?
Okay. Give them to me. I thought I could get rid of some of this stuff. I got too much lying around.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Waste
You're
management.
welcome. And the downstairs storage room is now a
Just
down
using
on the
this one
bed,
for now.
relaxing and watching the books. Wow. You really pulled in Australia here, didn't you?
Yeah, I think so.
Great job. Yeah. The last time I was here, this was not like this at all, now was it?
No, it was storage. But when we saw it, we thought, wow, I think this has potential, and